Hello, I'm Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and today I'd like to welcome you aboard the 2007 52 Viking Open Katala. Join me for an onboard tour. Let's start our tour here in the tournament-rigged cockpit of Katala. A couple of the highlights you'll see are the molded-in factory mezzanine seating. The blue water fighting chair and rocket launcher is the centerpiece of the cockpit. She features teak decks and teak covering boards, all in great shape with lots of life left in them. She has an Eskimo ice chipper in deck, as well as an in-deck live well, a thwartships fish box, and transom fish box. Underneath the mezzanine, you have a deep bait freezer. Underneath the footrest is another refrigerator slash freezer, and then there's an insulated refrigerated drink box in the step going up to the helm. Up here on the climate-controlled helm deck, you have nice carpeting, a L-shaped seating area to port with Sunbrella fabric. You have triple teak helm chairs and a fully complemented helm with touchscreen Garmin electronics, updated Garmin autopilot. All the man controls are all new as of 2020. She has teaser reels and overhead lockable rod storage. Down in the main salon of Katala, we have an ultra leather sofa to port. Port outboard is storage. You have high gloss teak woodwork interior. Your galley is immediately to starboard. We have updated Vitrifrigo stainless steel refrigerator freezer drawers, Corian countertops, a deep stainless steel sink, 4-burner Kenyan ceramic cooktop, and ample storage to starboard. The salon also features a teak and holly sole. Immediately to port, we have the first of 2 full heads. This has day head access from the salon and is also accessible from the portside bunk stateroom. This portside bunk stateroom is just forward. Across the hall, we have over-under Whirlpool washer and dryer. And then all the way in the forepeak of the vessel, we have our second stateroom. This features a in-suite head and a large offset berth to port. Inside the engine room, we have a pair of 1,360 horsepower common rail MAN engines. They have only 2,100 hours with their 2,000 hour service completed in 2020. The boat's more than capable of cruising comfortably at 30 plus knots with wide open speeds approaching 40 knots. Katala also features a full tuna tower rigged for fishing with updated Garmin 7600 unit up on the tower helm. Katala has a beautiful profile with no bow rail and a really clean custom look. Thank you for joining me today aboard the 2007 52 Viking Open Katala. If you'd like to see the boat in person or have any questions, please feel free to contact me directly. I'm Mike Scalisi with HMY Yachts, and I appreciate the opportunity to earn your trust and business.